Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with a Ghostbuster build. Right, we've got issue 16, so let's change the camera. Issue 26, as you can see there, of this beautiful build, and I love this picture. 95, 96, 97 and 98 is where we're doing, and we're doing working on doors. This is the door that we had in it from the previous stage. Is this one. Those trim panels are coming loose all the time. And we're putting some more trim inside, and then we're going to work on the other door. Oh, luckily I thought I lost that thing, but it's not in there. And we're going on with the back door and putting all that thing in there. What I will be doing is not putting that door on straight away, but the last thing I do is put that door on. So what you see me do in this stage is just putting the trim on, and at the end of the whole thing I put that on. As you can see right here, this is what we have. Let me just pull it down a little bit. This is the first stage, 95, 96, 7 and 8. I've got the screws at the ready and my white gloves if I need to, and the screws. Alright, this is where we're starting, and I need to get this one out. Let's see where we put what we put where. So we're going to put this one in first. That one's in as well. Other way around. And the last one to put in. And all that trim is in. The get that little thing out. And that door is done. And we will be putting a few things on, but we will do that later. And we're going to get that one out and get the other parts out. So still 95. Let's see what we do. We put it in like that. It's not particularly visible, but if you look properly, you see that it needs to be like so. Then we place that one on top, put those rings on, and put two RMs on them. Let's turn that around, put that in, turn it around again, and put a AM in there. Yeah, I'm making it a little bit hard for myself the way I do this. There, that's on as well, and that's 80 and 95 done. And we're going to leave that one in for the moment. All right. As you can see, we are pushing that in like so, and then we're putting a screw in here, which is a DM. That is shown a little strange, but this is the way to do it. Now let's put it on this side as well, and I most probably think those are DMs as well, and I'm quite sure it is, and it is. So two more DMs on this side, both in. As you can see there, we're taking the lock pin mechanism out. That's that spring and that cylinder. Those two. We're putting those on so, and then we're getting that mechanism. We're going to put that on so, but before we do that, That pin needs to go in. I have a feeling this is not going well, because that pin is out so much more. Alright, let me just show you. If you look at that pin, it's put on that way, but that pin is what is sticking out here. So not the long side. The long side goes into that little thing, and if you push it in, it will click out. That's the best way to do it. That's the way to do it. Okay. All right, those are in. Let's put those screws in, which are the OPs, which are close by and very small. We'll do that later as well. Let's check that out. And that top thing goes in with SM screws. I forgot to do that, so might as well do that now. Three SM screws had to be done, was to be done. It's on now as well. Let's see where we are. We turn it around and we put this one in. And 3 TMs. There is no, this is not order as in the build guide, but it is not a problem to do it in this order. And now we're putting those on. Does this need explanation? I don't think so. That is just to make sure you don't get sore thumbs, which I already have, due to the fact that you're pushing these in to make sure that they're in the right position. So 98. Let's put that first screw on, which is the HP. Let's put that away and put an up screw in. Next thing we do is put these felt strips on to the points that I was just pointing at. Yeah. Just a few more steps, putting the door on, and then we're done. And that is it. Let's get that door out. We can put those away. There we go. We need that one, which is that one there. Sorry. We've just put that little thing right there. Then we're going to put a screw there, and that's the BM. Then let's keep that one in like that. The door is in, and we're going to put the two IM screws to the inside right there. That's one. That's the other screw. Make sure that you have a good look at if the door hinge is in properly, because that was my problem. And that is it. Wow, that thing is so big it hardly fits. But there you go, that's where we are. We've got this door and those doors in, and we're starting on this door, and that's in the back there. That's it for this time. It was not a very long one, 41 minutes, so that's pretty good. It's getting along, and I'm happy we're building on this again, because I really didn't like that I may not have finished that. So I really hope that you will join me next time on any of my builds. This massive big thing, oh, my tea is in front of this massive great thing that you see my hand on at the moment, or any of those. So check out my channel and see what builds I have. There are quite a few lovely ones too that I'm doing. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and please join me next time. Hope to see you there as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.